Hey guys, it's ArtSea, and today I'm going to be teaching you an intermediate Balisong trick called the reverse index rollover. Now, in order to attempt this trick, you're going to have to know the index rollover because I'm going to show the index rollover first and then the reverse one. So that's the best way to get into the reverse, and it's just, you'll understand the trick better if you know it. I know I've taken a little bit of a break from YouTube. I've had some stuff going on in my life, but I will be coming out with a Black Friday sale on my site, artseabalisong.com, where I sell a bunch of knives. And I will try and come out with this blade again, the smoky blade, because they are sold out right now. And I'm going to see what you guys want for the handle design, because I'm thinking about the wave with maybe a different color pattern or maybe some of the same color patterns. Okay, so there's two different grips to do the index and reverse index rollover. Okay, so there's this vertical grip, right? Or there is a horizontal grip that's coming towards you. So I'm going to teach you both just because why not? I'm going to start both with the regular index rollover to get you in the correct momentum, but again, you don't have to. You could just start right here, which is where the trick starts. To do the regular index rollover, you're basically throwing out the bite handle and it's going around your index finger and you're catching the bite handle and flipping up. To start the reverse index rollover, you're starting with your hand as close to the pivots as you can, and you have your thumb on one side, your index finger on the other, and you're on the bite handle. So you're going to keep these three fingers completely out of the way. This is the #1 piece of advice I have for this trick. If these get in the way, you will mess up this trick. So this is an all momentum trick. You're going to be throwing the knife. It's going to come around and you're going to instantly grab the safe handle as these come around. And that's the difference. So you're going to have like a second, like less than a second, where the knife is in the air in zero gravity when you're switching to this handle. So if you do it slowly, it'll look like this. Down, up, switch, up. So you will be landing like this. You will be gripping near the pivots on the safe handle, and you're basically back at the start of where you would start the index rollover. I want you to practice it like that first. So you're going to go down, up, switch grip. See how I had my thumb right here? I'm taking my thumb and putting it on the outside of the safe handle, flipping up. Now that's just the slow motion version. The real one, you'll keep these fingers out of the way and you'll just go like that basically. So version 2, the horizontal version, is almost the exact same. So hopefully you already maybe practiced the regular index rollover horizontally. So it's where you're gripping the knife like this by holding the safe handle. You're pushing it away from you like that. So see how I have this one handle, the safe handle, and I have it away from me. Then I'm going to get my index finger and come around, and the knife will go around. I'll catch the bite handle and I'll pull it towards me. So it's a little bit more challenging in my opinion because you don't have gravity on your side because it's horizontal. So you're making this motion this way with the knife. Let's get into the reverse position. So you're going to go here, and now you're in the position to do a reverse index rollover. So this is the horizontal reverse index rollover. So you're throwing it this way. It's coming around. You're going to grab the other handle, which is the safe handle, let these come around, and end like this. So remember, you're ending like this, and these three fingers need to be out of the way. So you're going to end with just 2 fingers near the pivots on the safe handle. So you're going to do the regular one, right? You're going to move your fingers out of the way, even if they were in the way for the other version. And then you're going to go like that. It's actually not that hard if your fingers are completely out of the way. Let's try it again. So you're going to go See, my fingers weren't completely out of the way for the first index rollover, but they definitely need to be for the reverse. So they were out of the way. I'm on the bite handle. I'm pushing it, grabbing it, and coming around. Thanks to all my Patreons for helping and supporting me throughout the years. By the way, I am doing lessons with a few Patreons right now, and that is in Tier 3 and Tier 4 of my Patreon. It will help you improve very quickly with your flipping. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them, or DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is right here, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.